Hello everyone, it's Francesco here. Today we are launching our first ever mini course on Tool Academy, partnered with And Law. We're super excited for this one because it's a 7-part episodes based on mindful productivity. Now, And Law sat down with us for an hour or so, and we dived into some really interesting topics ranging from imposter syndrome to prioritization to being more mindful at work and what it truly means and her approaches to it. So I'm really excited to announce this. You can get it for free in the description below, and I'm going to give you a little teaser to a little bit of some of the course, but naturally you can get it on Tool Academy for free. So a huge thank you to Anne Law for coming over to when we were in London and we filmed it all in one sort of half a day. It was super to meet her. And a big thank you to our brilliant editor, Steve, for putting together such a brilliant piece. And we're excited to maybe doing more of these in the future. So you can check it out for free below, and I'll include some more information in the description below. Anyway, here's a little bit of a teaser. Cheers, folks. Bye.
You can think of your mind as a garden. You need to plant seeds to cultivate your curiosity. You can think of growing your knowledge as growing trees with branches, making connections. And then you can think of the fruits that you're getting as the result of cultivating your knowledge and your curiosity. Tending to your mind garden consists in different steps that are cyclical. You have to keep on doing it. In terms of seeds, in order to have good fruits in a garden, you need to plant quality seeds, right? And so it's the same with your mind. You need to think about the quality of the information that you're planting in your mind. With good seeds, you're going to get good fruits. For your knowledge in general, you should really not think about your mind garden as a mind backyard where you just dump stuff in there and let it rot. So you really need to think about how you're going to connect ideas together, how you're going to tend to the plants and the trees, how some plants tend to work better together and others tend to kill each other. It's the same with information. Some pieces of information can be combined together to create new ideas, while others have nothing to do together, or you can even have some plants that come from bad seeds and that are going to take up all of your mind and not leave enough space for you to cultivate interesting knowledge. And once you've made those connections and you start creating your own ideas in your mind garden, you get those fruits. And I am someone who believes in generosity. So instead of eating everything on your own, it's also a great thing to share the fruits with other people. And the idea here is to turn whatever ideas that you have into content that you can share with the world, and that other people can incorporate as seeds in their own mind gardens. And this way, we're basically growing our intelligence all together, growing our collective intelligence. So I feel like if everyone was thinking about their mind a little bit more like a garden and cultivating it and then sharing the fruits with each other, we would just basically become smarter, quicker together.